सीमा बचाओ अभियान सेव द बोर्डर कैंपेन नेपाल नेपाली सीमा अतिक्रमण को गंभीर विषय. This is a serious issue of border encroachment. Background: on 2nd November 2019, after the abrogation of special status of Jammu and Kashmir, Indian government redrafted its political map, wherein it included disputed lands with Nepal, Pakistan and Bangladesh. This was a unilateral annexation undermining the disputed international border norms. If that was not enough, ignoring Nepal government's official communication on 20th November 2019, Indian government officially announced opening of road linking China, passing through disputed territory, thus cementing its position on land. The base of bilateral agreement between India and China is to use Lipu Lake Pass as a trade route, opening up access to Mansarovar, a holy pilgrimage site of Hindus all over the world. Understanding the technical details. New political map of India shows disputed Limpiadhura region in the Greater Himalayas as a part of Pithogarh district of Indian state of Uttarakhand. Kalapani area is of immense strategic importance for the region as it serves as the tri-junction between India, Nepal and China. However, Nepal was bypassed by both the countries when they agreed to include disputed Lipu Lake in their bilateral trade route in 15th May 2015, a time when Nepal was reeling in the aftermath of devastating earthquake. The root of this debate over Kalapani, Lipu Lake and Limpiadhura is the origin of river Kali. As per the historic Sugawli Treaty of 1816 between the Dane East India Company and Government of Nepal, demarked Kali River as borderline, thereby implying land east of Kali River to be part of Nepal. The cause of dispute, which should not have been in first place, is in regards to the origination of River Kali. Nepal government has been rightly claiming that the river originates at Limpiadhura. This fact was testified by East India Company's hydrographer James Horsford in his 1827 map, published according to Act of Parliament. Turning blind eye to this fact in pursuit of annexation, Indian government has been wrongly claiming small rivulet Pakhanagard as the origination of Kali. This uncalled for dispute spanning puts 372 square kilometers of Nepali land stretching from Kalapani, Limpiadhura and Lipu Lake at risk of wrongful annexation. Groups have been formed, a joint committee between India and Nepal, to study the proposition and facts, but without any fruitful consequence. After all, who would want to solve a dispute when you are already enjoying your privilege? Implications. By any stretch of imagination, this is a blatant act of imperialism by India. Imperialism of which India itself was victim for 200 years. This is India leveraging its size, economic, diplomatic and military might to flex its muscle on its weaker neighbor. We view this not just a physical mishandling on our border, but as a direct interference undermining our sovereignty and our identity as a free nation. This also implies what stand India takes on its neighbor. How does India view its neighbor? These actions make fallacy of India's repeated claim of neighbor first policy and policy of Vasudeva Kutumbakam. World is one big family. We appreciate our relation with India, sharing common culture, religion in most part, and even sharing family ties. We appreciate India's assistance in development of Nepal, but more often than not, India tends to forget we are an independent nation, visible with its micro-engagement in Nepali politics. Obviously, incompetence from our political leaders calling on India to interfere. Our acute passiveness in India's bullying has further enticed India. But India should agree. A prosperous Nepal will aid India than Nepal in turmoil. India should understand further that the Nepalese people are infuriated enough with this bulldogging. History has shown revolution in any part is not an isolated case, but comes with its own series of actions. For many Nepalis, this may all seem vague, Sovereignty, after all, does not feel too practical in daily lives, but we all understand what it feels to be bullied by someone more powerful. Nation is again a grand scale of what every individual feels. So, this is utterly important for our dream of independence, for our desire to be peaceful, and for our pursuit of happiness and prosperity. Conclusion. The timing could not have been more unfortunate. First, when Nepal was reeling under the devastation of earthquake, and now when the world is fighting the global pandemic, when the countries should have maintained highest degree of cooperation, letting go of any dispute was over. However, India, seeing any crisis in Nepal as an opening for fulfilling its vested interest, has said enough, light in its ulterior motive with regards to its neighbors. We are deeply inspired by one Indian, Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, and his stance on non-violence. This petition is thus directly taken from one of his great teachings. Additionally, this issue of Kalapani is not the only dispute we have with India. We have disputes stretching over 1800 kilometers. We would call both the authorities of Nepal and India to come with a solution on any pending dispute that will then create a path for harmony and peace in its truest sense, that will further enhance people-to-people cooperation and definitely create a synergistic impact for a better, prosperous future. We firstly request India to reconsider its position and work towards solving the dispute. We request China to come clear with their proposition in this issue. We request United Nations to look into this more seriously and any other border issue around the world. We request International Court of Justice to view this as a serious matter, a matter which could escalate quickly around the world concerning border encroachment by a powerful nation. We request international media to take note of this issue. We request people of India to empathize with Nepalese on this issue and warn their government against their malicious action, remembering what they had to suffer. We believe this because we share a common belief of karma. We request all the free people around the world to express solidarity. Thank you all for a whole without dispute from people of Nepal.